Hi, everybody. It was so cool to see all of you guys this morning in our Zoom meeting and to be able to talk with all of you. Hopefully, we'll be able to do that 3 times a week and it'll just be back like we're in class. But today, I want to go over the layout of class and what that format is going to look like online and through videos. But before we do that, let's do this. You guys know what that means. That is on this day in history. So today is April 1st and April Fools. Besides that, there's a couple events that happened today in history. In 1748, the ruins of Pompeii were rediscovered. In 1793, a volcano named, ironically, unnamed, erupted in Japan, killing tens of thousands of people. But on a more positive note, in 1976, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak founded Apple in his garage at his parents' house. So thank you for Apple. But today I just want to talk with you about what class is going to actually look like now. So some of you are enrolled in online classes through Khan Academy, and some of you are just doing enrichment activities, which is just watching the videos and interacting with the lessons we're teaching online. So first things first, each class will be posting 2 video lessons a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays. What that will look like is I will take a topic from your assigned reading on Khan and kind of delve a little deeper into it. So for an example, if you are in US history, we might be studying the Civil War. So I might talk about one of the generals or one of the battles specifically in more detail during our video lessons. Okay, if you're not enrolled in Khan Academy, you still can watch these videos and you'll still be able to discuss some of the questions we talk about in our Zoom meetings during the week. So at the beginning of every lesson, I am going to pose a question. I have my handy dandy whiteboard, and this is what it looks like. You can see it. I'm going to have all of you write this down in a notebook before we start the lesson so that you have that in mind while I'm teaching, okay? And then at the end of the week, you should have 2 discussion questions answered, one from each video. You can discuss that in our social hours or in Zoom meetings. You can email me your answers, or if you have any questions about the lessons I taught, you can jump into our academic meeting in the morning on Zoom, okay? Also, this is my favorite part. So we watch CNN 10 every Thursday in class, right? Well, I am going to be issuing a CNN in 10 challenge. It's a weekly challenge where you guys will be required to watch all 5 videos. They're only 10 minutes long, Monday through Friday. It's a great way to keep yourself informed. And I'm going to be attaching a PDF to this YouTube video at the bottom here that you can download and print. If you don't have a printer, I'm going to show you what it would look like on paper on my whiteboard so that you can copy it down for each day of the week. So this is what it looks like, and this is what the PDF will look like. You're going to put the heading for the date at the top, and you can change that if you're writing it yourself, depending on what day it is. So at the end of the week, you should have 5 of these. And so it's going to ask you to list and describe each news story, number down here. It's going to ask you about the 10 out of 10 story, your favorite story of all of them in the clips, and then your favorite pun, because we all know Carl is the master of puns. So if you complete this every week and you show me in our Zoom meeting, you can just hold up your worksheet and I'll do a check, and you will be entered into a raffle to win a gift card, an online gift card. So this is basically everything we've been doing in class. It's not a 3-2-1 exit ticket, but it's just a little more stuff on here. But I think you guys will have fun with this. You're used to watching CNN 10, and it's a very informative way to make sure you're keeping track of the news and what's going on right now. This is totally optional. If you don't want to do this, you don't have to do this. But if you want the challenge and you want to be entered to get a gift certificate, you know what to do. So again, you can copy this down in a notebook, or you can print the PDF that I'm going to be attaching to the video. So again, we're having 2 video lessons a week. There's 2 discussion questions. Khan Academy has a separate reading. There's videos to watch and mini quizzes at the end as well. If you complete all the Khan assignments that are assigned to you that week, if you are doing the online platform, then you also will be entered to win an online gift certificate as well. So all of this is optional. It's not mandatory, but I would encourage you to do it, okay? Keep yourself informed, keep those brains working and turning. But I'm excited for our first video lesson next week, and I will see you guys on Zoom soon. Bye.